going to be doing this makeup look right here. I have no idea what I'm going to be calling this makeup tutorial, but obviously this video is already up and you guys know what this, like, the title is. But while I'm recording this, I don't know what to call it. Like, I have no idea at all. Like, alligator makeup look, green glittery makeup look, don't know. But I really love how this looks. I really enjoyed making this video. It's just, this makeup look, I don't know, like, I wanted to do a halo and I was like, hey, let's do it. And then I was like, oh, that green is like, oh, so I was like, I'm gonna go in it, and I did. So yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, exactly like those words, yes. But yeah, so I don't think there's a lot to say in the intro. I mean, there's never really a lot to say in the intro, but you know, it's okay. Subscribe if you're new. If you're new, hey, I'm Paige. I do makeup and I've been doing YouTube for 2 years, and yeah, that's just cool. My social medias would be down below in the description for you guys if you guys want to go check that out. And if you want to learn how to get this makeup look right here, then just keep on watching. The first palette I'm going to dive into is this Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I'm going to grab this color right here, and I am just going to put that in my crease as a transition for the other colors. Sorry, I cannot speak today. I can never speak when I record. When I get in front of the camera, I can never speak. But anyway, I'm just going to put that in the crease just so everything blends together. Now, if you want to, you can put like powder under your eyes. If you're going in with a color and you know that it has fallout, you could put some powder on your eyes so it doesn't like mess up your face makeup. It just goes on the powder, and then when you sweep away the powder, the eyeshadow fallout will come with it. So if you are using a shadow that you know that has fallout, you know, use a powder. But I know that this color doesn't have fallout, so I'm not going to use powder. But maybe later on, if I use a color that has fallout, I'll put it under my eyes. So yeah, we on the same level? I think we are. Yeah. I think I'm going to go in with this one right here. This is the Comfort Zone palette, and I'm going to go in with this color right here. And yeah, so I'm going to take that on the same brush and do the same exact thing, just put it in the crease. Alright, so the Jaclyn Hill palette is speaking to me. She's like, use me, you haven't used me in forever. So I'm going to use her because she, I miss her and she misses me. So yeah, we're going to, yeah. I don't know what kind of color I want to go in with at all. I don't know. She's just so gorgeous that every color is just calling me, but I can't use every color, so I can't. I should do a challenge. I don't know if this is like made up or something like that. It probably is. Like, use like a huge palette like this and use every single color in it. Every single color. I'm pretty sure that's a challenge already, but I don't know. Don't quote me. I'm just thinking real hard. For some reason, the green's calling my name, but I really don't want to mess with greens today. But it's really like saying, use me. Like, hey, how you doing? Put me on your eyes right now. But I don't know about that right now. I just don't know. I really don't know if I want to go in with that. But it's just calling my name right now. Yeah, I think I'm going to dive in with the green, but I'm scared. I'm not scared, but yeah, I'm kind of scared. Let me take that back. But we're going to go in with it. Let's just do it before I change my mind. So I'm going to grab this color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I am so scared, but I'm just going to take that and take like a flat fluffy brush and put that on the inner corner and outer part of the eye. I also want to take a little bit at a time because I don't want to take too much green, and then the transitions that we use is like gone because I want to be able to see those transition colors when we're done with the look. Like, I don't want that to be gone and it's just like a green look. So just be very careful when you mess with a color like this, because like you don't want to mess the look up and you don't want it to look too smoky. Like me, I don't want it to look too smoky, but if you want to go all the way and go too smoky, you know, you do you. go for it. I'm here for it. But yeah, I don't know if I want to go in with a green shimmer. Should I do that? I don't know if I want to. I think I am because I'm just like that. I mean, we're already like going really out there. Let's just go all the way out there. We're halfway there. We're at the 50 mark right now, so let's just go all the way to 100 because like we're halfway there. I'm just saying, let's do a green shimmer. Let me find one. Be right back. Alright, so there is a green shimmer in the Jaclyn Hill palette. The thing is that I don't feel like, should I go in with this? It's just too dark. That's the thing. I don't want to go too dark. I want like a light green. There is one in the Revolution palette, but I think I'm going to look for a light green in a different palette and see what we can find. Alright, the Comfort Zone palette. Let's look at here. No. Alright, the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Maybe, but no. I forgot how much I love this color. This might be the one. Oh my god. Wait, there's one in the Miami Way palette. It's not a total green. That's the only thing. Oh, it's too dark, but it's beautiful. Imagine this on the eyes. Can we go with this one and then put the Revolution one right on top just to make it? We're doing it. We're doing it. Alright, so we're going to go in with the Manny Anyway palette, and we're going to go in with this one. She's cute or whatever. I hardly... Oh, it touched me. Hello. Don't mess up my makeup palette. No, don't mess with me. But anyway... I think I've messed with this, but I don't remember the last time I messed with this, to be honest. I know I've used it before, but was it on my eyes or did I just like swatch it? Okay, I'm going to put some powder under my eyes actually because I don't know if this color has fallout or not, so, you know, let's be safe. Alright, we're going in with it. I'm so scared. That's gorgeous though. Okay, Manny, okay. I know this is the old palette, but you know, I never go in with the shade, never. I don't remember the last time I used it. Probably when it first came out, but it was like putting it on to see what it looks like on my eyes and then taking it off. That's probably what it was, but I don't think I've ever wore this out. Correct me if I'm wrong, but oh my god, yes. Yes, hunty. Yes. So I took this Revolution palette right here, and I took this green right here. Like I said, that what we were going to be doing, and I just popped that right in the center. It kind of looks, I don't know why, but I'm getting alligator vibes, not unicorn vibes. Like, I thought I was getting unicorn vibes, but now I'm getting, like, graveyard girl, like, hello, like, lashes that I'm going to be using. I have no idea what I'm going to be using. Let me think about it for a second. I do have these new ones. That's a thing. I do have new ones. They're Vegas nail lashes, and they're called Fiercely, hold on one second. They're called Fiercely Fabulous. That's what they're called. I probably will be wearing this for my birthday. I don't know if I want to wear these for my birthday, or the, what are they called? Platinum Princess ones. I think the Platinum Princess ones, but these are like getting up there, I think, that I might wear these for my birthday. Before I put on the lashes, I'm going to line my lashes, like go really close to the lash line, and line it with a, you know, what, eyeliner. I was like going blank for a second, sorry. But I'm going to line my lashes a little bit with a liner. Just so it will hide the band, and then I'm going to put on mascara, pop on the lashes, and then I'll be right back with you guys with the lower lash line. So now we're going to hop into the bottom lash line, and I think I'm just going to be doing the colors that we put in the crease, the one from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and the Wet n Wild palette, just because I feel like if I put the green down there, it'll be too smoky, and I don't want this look to be too smoky. So I'm going to take this color right here from the Too Faced palette, which is the first color that we put in the crease, and just blend it on the bottom lash line. Now I'm going to jump into the Comfort Zone palette and take this color, which is the second color that we took, and do the same exact thing. Then I just put some powder under my eyes for the mascara. For the top lashes, I took this also. This is the Ulta Volume Mascara in Jet Black. And I'm just going to put it on my bottom lash line. Now once the mascara down there like dries, we're going to do the inner corner, which I think I want to take this Too Faced, what is this called? It just, yeah, that's all it says. It's a Too Faced highlighter. It's this one right here. I think is it part of the Unicorn collection? I think maybe it is. I don't remember. But I'm going to be taking this. It just like has green, pink, blues, and I'm going to take the green part. So I'm just going to take a flat brush and put it to the light to see where the green is, and it is right here. I'm going to take that green and put a little bit on the inner corner of the eye. I'm actually going to take that color and spray the brush just so it like pops a little bit more. Oh my god, yes please. So I just went with this one. This is the Ulta Beauty lipstick in Honey. So cute, so moisturizing, so glossy, just beautiful. I love it. And I did my hair. I did like a little braid right here. It's not really perfect, but you know, I don't know if you guys could see it on camera because I have like really dark hair. But it's not perfect. It's my first time doing like a braid like that. Like, I don't even know what you call that. Mohawk braid mohawk, I don't know, but it's like something like that. But yeah, so if you like how this makeup looks, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below what you guys want to see next, a more natural look or something dramatic. I did do a natural look last video, so if you want to go check it out, you know, it'll be in the description down below, or just wait at the end of the video and there'll be like this thing that says last video, and then you click the link and then it'll take you to the last video I uploaded. And yeah, I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, to be honest. So yeah, cool. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.